Ciao, I'm Chef Davide of Inside Cooking Class. Today I'm in Puerto Rico. I'm feeling a little bit homesick, so we're gonna do gnocchi. And if you like gnocchi, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In Rome we say Thursday gnocchi, but you know, they are good every day. It's made with very simple ingredients that you can find in every Italian household. Well, here we have all the ingredients. We have our smashed potato. I will suggest that you use a very whole potato with a less percentage of, humidity and liquidity. Then what we have a little bit of sea salt, 00 flour, which is Italian equivalent of all-purpose flour, and last but not least, our fresh egg. Well, you can decide to use it or not to use it. Using a fresh egg will make your life a little bit easier. So what we're gonna do now? Now we have our mountain of smashed potato. We're gonna do a nice the center, like that, okay? Then we're gonna crack an egg into it, this way, there you go. Pam. Add a pinch of salt all over and whisk a little bit. All together, like that. Now, what we're gonna do? We're just going to cover a little bit the egg, okay, with the potato, and let's start to add the flour step by step. I've been needing this 300 years old recipe for the last 5 minutes. Just kept adding flour step by step. Every time that I felt my dough was a little bit too sticky, I sprinkle flour all over and keep going like that. Usually 5 up to 10 minutes. And that's the consistency that we want. Very nice and smooth. What we're gonna do now we're gonna cut a piece like that. Nice. Little bit of flour on the board, okay? And let's start to do our cylinder, like that. So I'm doing my cylinder, okay? How thick, how tall, how big, it's up to you, it's up to your taste. I made like half of an inch. There you go. Now we're gonna cut them. You can use a spatula or a simple knife. This one, So the best thing that you can do to see if your gnocchi are ready, it's very simple. Just pick it up, a little bit of salt, sea salt, drop into the boiling water, then cut like a sample of like 3-4 gnocchi, pick it up, drop into the boiling water, okay? Gnocchi will take like I would say even less, like 1.5 minutes to try and to be ready. My gnocchi tastes amazing, but if your dough feels a little bit too soft, if your gnocco feels a little bit too soft, just add a little bit of flour, keep mixing and try again. Here I made a very simple tomato and basil sauce. It's good with everything, but you can also do like 4 cheeses, you can do pesto, whatever you like. So my gnocchi have been cooking for the last 60-90 seconds. Basically when it flows up, they're basically ready. So drain it a little bit, be gentle of course, and cook it together for 1 minute. Madonna che buoni. Well, buon appetito and don't forget to subscribe. Un bacio.